birds, Patches? Patches is cool. The bird goes, ah, and she goes, ow. She's answering the bird. Every time the bird makes a noise, she makes a noise. And she's following. The bird's flying there. She's looking at those birds right there. She's talking to those birds right there, the crows. Look at them. Meow. You want that bird, huh? You want that bird? You want to play with the bird? You want to attack the bird? You want to eat the bird? Yeah. I know you pussycats like birds. Yeah. Patches. She's a smart pussycat. Yeah. Oh, my bushy meow, I love you. Meow. 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 Oh, she's touching the camera. Look at Patches. You are so adorable, honey. You got some personality, little girl. Yes, you do. Meow. Meow. Oh, bushy boo. Ain't no my baby. Ain't no my baby. What's up? Here's your sister. Your only sister, Jody. What's up, Jody? Meow. Here's the matriarch of the house, Tigress, the marmalade pussycat mama. Meow. There's Simba over there. How you feel today, Simba? Huh? He's still not 100%. He hasn't been coughing though. I haven't seen him, and I haven't been around that much either. I'm still coughing. No, I quit smoking in February. I'm a mess still. Still coughing up clams, and my lungs seem to be getting even worse yet. But I don't smoke anymore. Smoke a joint a day, that's it. A joint a day. Helps keep the doctors away. Anyway, my lovely babies, I take care of. I love you guys. Patches, look at my Patches. She's such a personality. Her, Simba. Simba is the one that meows, I love you, all the time. She's the one that's trying to do it. The other two, I can't even get them interested. Look, now she's doing the meows here. Jody's at it. She's talking to the birds or trying to lure. What's up, Jody? Did you say meow? Huh? Did you say meow? Meow. Meow. What's up, Jody? What you got, Jody? Boogie, 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 boo. I love you. Alright, that's it. It's almost 5 minutes.